Every day, as part of our work, we may need to care for people who are visually impaired. Their disability may not be apparent, and they may have one of various disorders: peripheral vision, central vision, need for light, photophobia, blurred vision. Caring for people properly in a hospital environment involves a few simple steps and some best practices that are easy to adopt. The first thing to do is to talk with the person so you can better understand their disability and give them the help they need. A visually impaired person doesn't necessarily have a cane, but they may need help as soon as they arrive. Whenever possible, get someone to come and accompany the person. Once the person is seated in the waiting room, be sure to keep them informed if they're waiting a long time, and when their turn comes, they may need you to come and fetch and guide them. During a consultation, whatever the specialty, you should assist a blind person while keeping some simple precautions in mind. Introduce yourself to the person. Gently brush their hand before shaking it. When going to an exam room, offer the person your arm or shoulder and explain the journey you're about to make. During the exam, say very naturally, at normal volume, the actions you're going to perform. And afterwards, it's best to type the results that you email to the person. Typed text is easier to read. When a visually impaired person is hospitalized, the department lead is there to help the medical team care for the person by reminding them of a few basic actions which make all the difference. If possible, give them the most accessible room. Ask them some questions to better understand their visual disability. Show the person around their room so they get their bearings. Introduce yourself when entering the room. Make eating meals easier. Don't move their things. Besides these thoughtful little touches, visually impaired people appreciate it if the same staff can look after them whenever possible. Taking proper care of visually impaired people is a matter for all of us healthcare professionals. Talking to them and asking them what they want or need is the first, simplest and kindest thing you can do. And also adopting the little habits we've just looked at is easy and can help them enormously.